Welcome to another weekly update. We are in week 17 of my training and things are going well. Things didn't go quite as planned this week. We're going to talk about what I actually did do this week. I did some rock climbing at a local rock wall with my buddy Jordan. You remember him. He's the guy that's helping me build my training schedule. And he met me up here to talk through some training tips because at the rock wall, there's also a gym. Jordan and I discussed a lot about form and making sure that all my form is perfect on every workout I do rather than the quantity of the workouts I do. This was really helpful for me to frame in my mind through him because I thought my form was pretty good, but he actually had a lot of correctional tips on how I was accomplishing the quantity of my workouts a lot of times. Also, he's a really good rock climber, so I met him at the rock wall. He really put me in my place when it came to my athleticism. Tubeless tire conversions. Who has tried one? It's really a pain in the butt when you can't get a tube seated. It took me quite a bit of trial and error, a lot of putting the tire on, removing the tire, adding different sealant, retaping the rim, readjusting the valve stem in the rim, and then eventually, finally got it to seat. That feeling when you get a really troublesome tubeless tire to seat properly and hold air overnight, that's a good feeling. You know what I'm talking about if you've struggled with one. Be on the lookout for a tubeless tire conversion video in the future. Also, I'm gonna have more how-to videos continually rolling out. Be watching for those every Wednesday in between these weekly updates. I made good progress on White Lightning as well. My 2008 Santa Cruz Superlight budget build for the 2019 race season. It's coming along quite nicely. I need to bleed the brakes, put a new shifter cable in for the rear derailleur, tune it up, and take it for a spin. I've been pumping out quite a few how-to videos. I apologize for the audio. I know the audio has not been great in those videos, but I do have a new microphone and the audio is about to get a whole lot better on those. So be on the lookout for some better quality videos. I got sick. After rock wall climbing, I went into work on Monday. I felt all right. Work from home on Tuesday. By 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I was having the worst chills that I could imagine, and I could not get warm. I was in sweatpants, sweatshirt, wool socks, a hat, in a bed, 75 degrees in the house, and was shivering uncontrollably. Really put me down for 3 or 4 days this last week, so my training has been a big fat 0. Luckily though, if you guys remember my last weekly update, it was a light week. So that really did force me to take time off, lay down, let my body recover, drink a lot of fluids, get better. That's it guys. That's what I've been up to the last week. It's been a busy week. There's a lot of other things going on in my own personal life, but that's really what I've been doing to work towards this goal of becoming a professional mountain biker. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate any time you guys spend on my channel watching my videos. I hope you guys are getting some value out of this. Let me know. Let me know what you guys are enjoying, what you guys don't like. I really want to do this so you guys can be a part of my journey to become a professional mountain biker. And if you guys have ever wondered, what does it take to become a professional mountain biker? That's what I'm out to do. I'm really out to figure this thing out. I don't know the answer, and it doesn't seem like there's any clear path, and I think the path could be different for everyone, but I think this could be a really good example of how you could go about doing it. All said and done, it's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some years. I can't wait to see what this looks like 2-3 years from now. One Plus Bike has been so much fun for me, and I hope you guys are having fun too. If you are, please comment, like, and share this video or share other videos or share my channel. Tell your friends that you know this weird guy who's trying to become a professional mountain biker. His name is Dan Ollis and he runs this channel called One Plus Bike. Check it out. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram if you're not doing that already. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for your views and for your time. I really do appreciate it. Have a great week. I'm Dan, this is One Plus Bike, and I'm out of here.